Okay, currently we are looking at the racing pigeons. This is a beautiful light checkered check. Uh, this one is the eldest in the family, and then we have the black one with the white markings, and that's the dark check racing pigeon. This is a blue, and then we have the jet black, and that is the red checkered chick. This one is the youngest chick amongst all. Now, racing pigeons are really not so common in India. They are really popular in Belgium and other European parts of the continent, and in United States as well. And these beautiful chicks are the result of imported Belgium racing pigeons. They're wondering where we are right now.